Today we're having chilaquiles for breakfast. The ingredients are beans of your choice, usually made with refried beans, tortilla shells or taco shells, egg, and then on top of that you have your toppings. Salsa, one of my favorites, papalote from Mission District, and sour cream. I'm going to saute some onions to add to our beans. When the onions are ready, you then add your beans. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and let it simmer. Next, we're going to fry our egg, usually done over easy. Now we're going to build our chilaquiles. Our first layer is the beans. I said earlier that you usually use a crispy fried tortilla. Unfortunately, we don't have that, so we're going to improvise with a hard taco shell. Then, our next layer is the egg. Then we're going to add a couple toppings. First, we're going to start with salsa. I like salsa, so I add 2 scoops. Next, we're going to add sour cream. Last one is avocado. Again, this is an optional choice. This is your chilaquiles. Enjoy! And now we're going to try our chilaquiles. Really good. A great way to start your morning. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Oh wait, I'm gonna wake up Sarah to see if she can try this and if she'll enjoy it.